Across modern cities, technology is quietly transforming the spaces around us. From luxury residences to commercial buildings, from workplaces to public venues, intelligent control is becoming part of everyday life. Lights respond automatically as people enter and leave. Meeting rooms instantly adapt from collaboration to presentation. Hotels create the perfect atmosphere with a single touch. Vehicles are recognized before they arrive. Museums illuminate exhibits as visitors approach. Parking facilities provide lighting exactly where it is needed. Libraries automatically adjust to changing daylight conditions. Transportation hubs, sports venues, shopping centers, and large commercial complexes operate more efficiently than ever before. Behind every intelligent space, every automated response, and every seamless experience is a powerful control system. This is where Easyctrl comes in. For 14 years, Easyctrl has specialized in smart lighting control technology, integrating research and development, manufacturing, and sales under one roof. We provide complete intelligent lighting control solutions for projects of every scale. Today, we hold nearly 100 patents and have successfully delivered more than 1,000 real-world projects. Our product portfolio includes smart gateways, touchscreens, control panels, relay modules, dimming modules, motion sensors, PLC solutions, and customized intelligent control cabinets. Powered by our self-developed YC bus protocol, our systems provide reliable communication, easy installation, and flexible expansion. As a national high-tech enterprise, we continue to innovate and develop technologies for the next generation of intelligent buildings. We also provide professional OEM and ODM services, helping partners bring their own smart control solutions to market. Our systems integrate seamlessly with Home Assistant, Tuya, KNX, Control4, Crestron, Loxon, and many other smart ecosystems. From concept and design to development, production, testing, and delivery, every step reflects our commitment to quality and innovation. 14 years of experience, nearly 100 patents, more than 1,000 successful projects, one trusted partner. Easyctrl, smart lighting control made simple.